Welcome to episode 4 of my Resilience Workshop. Today, we're going to explore the power of agility and how being adaptable can help you navigate life's uncertainties. Let's get to it. In today's world, you've got to move quickly to stay ahead or sometimes even to just keep up. Agility is all about being flexible and ready to adapt when faced with obstacles. When you encounter a challenge, it's essential to be able to pivot and find new paths forward. Consider this. When professionals face unexpected career changes or market shifts, their ability to adapt quickly often determines their success. Agility isn't just about physical movement, it's also about mental and strategic flexibility. So, how can you develop agility? Here are some strategies backed by research. Number 1, embrace change. Accept that change is a constant part of life. Instead of resisting it, look for opportunities within the change. Number 2, stay informed. Keep yourself updated with industry trends and new developments. Knowledge allows you to anticipate changes and prepare for them. Number 3, develop problem-solving skills. Enhance your ability to think on your feet by practicing problem solving in different scenarios. This prepares you for unexpected challenges. Number 4, build a diverse skill set. Cultivate a range of skills that can be applied in various contexts. This makes you more versatile and adaptable. Number 5, maintain a positive attitude. A positive mindset can help you see possibilities rather than obstacles. It encourages creative thinking and solutions. Number 6, network actively. Build and nurture relationships with people in your industry. A strong network can provide support and opportunities when you need to pivot. Number 7, stay physically and mentally fit. Physical health contributes to mental agility. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices can enhance your overall resilience. Reflect on a time when you had to adapt quickly. How did you handle it? Implementing these strategies can help you become more agile and better prepared for future challenges. In my next session, we'll discuss the importance of vulnerability and how it contributes to resilience. Until then, stay flexible, stay informed, and keep pushing forward. I wish you days filled with adaptability, growth, and unwavering determination. See you next week.